What's up, guys? Today I wanted to record a couple of videos just for y'all to have. So this one's going to be on a bounded U-substitution. Hopefully this video format and the audio is a lot better. So let's get on into it. First I'm going to make up an integral. Say integral from 0 to 1 of 4x squared times x cubed minus 7 quantity cubed. Cool. Something that's not too difficult, and I made the bounds pretty easy. Cool. So remember that when we're doing a U substitution, we want to find a couple of things. We want to find U, du, and dx. And because we have a bounded U substitution, we also have to find the U values for our bounds. Right? Because these are in the terms of x equals 0 and x equals 1. We want to turn our integral into an integral in U, so we have to have U of x equals and U of x equals something else. Cool. So here, U is going to be this inside quantity here. So that's going to be x cubed minus 7. And then du, which is u prime dx, is going to be 3x squared dx. Cool. Now we want to solve for dx. We're just going to divide by 3x squared. So it's going to be du over 3x squared. And now we need to evaluate u right here for our bounds. So u of 0 is going to be 0 cubed minus 7, which is negative 7. And u of 1 is going to be 1 cubed minus 7, which is negative 6. Cool. So that gives us the integral now from negative 7 to negative 6. Our 4x squared is unchanged. However, now we have u, and that's to the 4th. And then we changed our dx to now be du over 3x squared. Cool. So now we've got our integral in terms of u. We can do some cancellation. This x squared cancels with that x squared. And that leaves us with the integral from negative 7 to negative 6 of 4, and we have that 3 left over. I'm just going to write 4/3, and then u to the 4th du. Cool. Go over here and finish it up. This is going to be 4/3 times, now we have this u to the 4th. I'm going to anti-differentiate, get u to the 5th over 5. That's evaluated from our new bounds, negative 7 to negative 6. Cool. That gives us 4/3 times, we want to plug back in our u, so that's going to be x cubed minus 7 quantity to the 5th all over 5, evaluated from negative 7 to negative 6. Cool. To make it a little easier, I can pull that over 5 out. So it's going to be 4 over 3 times 5 times x cubed minus 7 to the 5th, evaluated from negative 7 to negative 6. And then recall that this is going to be 4 over 3 times 5 is 15. And when we evaluate, we plug in 6, or negative 6, subtract plugging in negative 7. So it's going to be negative 6 cubed minus 7 to the 5th minus negative 7 cubed minus 7 to the 5th. I'm not going to evaluate that out, but that gives you your final answer. So again, what I did here, we had our integral in terms of x, but we wanted to turn it into an integral in terms of u. So not only did we have to find u and du, we also had to find the u of the bounds. So this is x equals 0. This is u of x now equals -7, or u of 0 equals -7. And this is u of 1 equals -6. Plug in my u and my new value of dx, canceled these x squareds here. That left me with 4/3 integral of u to the 4th, and then I evaluated that, and with the new bounds, which gave me this answer, which I could go through and I could put into a calculator. Cool. That's all I have for this example. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments or shoot me an email. Thanks.